To create our auto captions, first we need to select all the track, next go to text, then auto captions. And here choose your video language and click create. Time creation depends on how long your video. And here we have our subtitles. On the right side of the panel, make sure that there is a check mark on apply to all, and choose a style for the text that you like. It can be one of the ready-made ones, or you can customize it yourself. But personally, I prefer to take a ready-made preset.
Well, I'm trying to do good things, yeah. I mean, saving the world is not.
If you want to edit the subtitles, click on our text and go to Captions, and here we edit as we need. If you need to move a line, then select our text, and in the place where you want to make the move, press Enter. And here we have ready subtitles.